Hey dear beautiful soul, welcome to my YouTube channel Mindful with Sona Shri. Namaste my beautiful soul family. Welcome to this sacred space of healing and transformation. Today I invite you into a very special journey. A journey that connects not only you but also your entire ancestral lineage, your family roots and the collective energies that you carry within you. In our Hindu calendar, this period is known as Shraddha Paksha, the time when we honor our ancestors, remember them with love, and release them with light. It is said that in this month, the doors of the higher realms open and the blessings of our forefathers flows towards us. But at the same time, if there are unresolved karmas and unhealed pain or burdens in our lineage, they too surface during this time, asking us to cleanse, forgive, and release. See, why ancestral forgiveness matters. Whether we realize it or not, we carry the imprints of our lineage in our subconscious mind. Patterns of fear, poverty, broken relationships, guilt, illness, or unfulfilled dreams often don't belong to us alone. They are echoes of the past, the memories of those who came before us. Just as we inherited physical features, we also inherited energetic memories. These unresolved energies sometimes manifest in our own lives as struggles, repeating cycles, or unexplained blocks. But here is the truth: when one person in the lineage chooses forgiveness, surrender, and healing, the entire lineage begins to heal. By practicing forgiveness of our ancestors, we not only free them, but we also free ourselves. We close cycles of suffering and open the path of peace, abundance, and the moksha, not only for us, but for the generations to come. And I have recorded 500 affirmations. So why these 500 affirmations are so powerful? You may ask, no? Why listen to these 500 affirmations? Isn't that too much? 500? Beloved, these affirmations are designed to penetrate deep into your subconscious mind. Each affirmation is a seed of healing. Each line carries the vibration of forgiveness, light, and divine surrender. When repeated with devotion, these words create ripples in your energy field. They travel across time and space, reaching your parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, and beyond, cleansing karmic ties and releasing pain. In the month of Shraddha, the effect multiplies even more, because our ancestors are closer, listening and receiving, waiting for us to release them into peace. What will happen when you listen? You will begin to feel lighter, as if invisible burdens are dissolving. Repeating family patterns will start to break. Relationships will soften as hidden anger and resentment transform into compassion. Your heart will expand with gratitude for life, for those who came before you, and for the lessons carried forward. And most importantly, your ancestors will bless you. Their souls will rise higher in peace, and their blessings will flow into your health, wealth, relationships, and spiritual path. This is not just a listening to affirmations. This is a sacred act of seva, service to your lineage, and service to your soul. and you think, why now and why you? Beloved one, my beautiful soul, if you are listening to this message today, it is not a coincidence. You have been chosen as the healing point of your lineage. You are the bridge between the past and the future. By saying yes to forgiveness, you are saying yes to breaking karmic cycles. By saying yes to love, you are saying yes to divine liberation. This Shraddha month, let us not only offer food, water, and rituals to our ancestors. Let us offer them the most powerful gift: forgiveness, release, and unconditional love. And how you can listen this affirmation? Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath and keep your heart open. Play these 500 affirmations daily, or even keep them in the background as you go about your day. Okay, whatever comfortable time you have free time, that time you can play these affirmations. Allow the vibrations to sink into your soul and spread into your lineage. Remember, you don't have to do anything. Simply listening with faith is enough. My beautiful soul, this video is more than affirmations. It is healing ceremony. As you listen, you will not only transform yourself but also liberate countless souls connected to you. This is your sacred responsibility. This is your gift and this is your blessings. So let us begin. These 500 affirmations for ancestral and collective forgiveness. May you, your lineage, and all beings be free, at peace, and united with divine light. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Mindful with Sonashri, for more healing content.